Welcome to our tutorial on how to use the Agorify mobile app for scanning event badges, specifically designed for saving contact details efficiently. This video will guide you through the simple steps to utilize your Agorify app optimally at events. Let's dive into the process and help you get ready for a seamless event experience. Let's get started. First things first, download the Agorify app from the App Store or Google Play. Once downloaded, open the app to create a new account or login if you already have one. Now that you're logged in, access your event by entering the event code provided by the organizers. This will unlock all the features for your specific event. Once in the event, you should see the badge scanner button. Click on it to start scanning badges. To scan a badge, aim your device's camera at the QR code on the attendee's badge. A successful scan will display the attendee's name at the top of your screen. If you want to take notes on an attendee, click on their name and then on Notes. Write down any important information. These notes will be included in your lead export. You've now successfully scanned a badge. To view all your leads, click on Home and then on Leads under the Badge Scan button. Here, you can see all the people you've scanned. To access their full details, you'll need to export your lead list. Exporting your leads is easy. Click on the icon with an arrow in the top right corner. Then select Export. You'll receive an email from Agorify with your leads and their details in an attached CSV file. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We wish you great success and effective networking at your event.